still remember that day so clear, the way you smiled when you came near. We didn't know what we would be, just two hearts so easy. We talked about nothing at all, laughing under the old school hall. It felt so simple, felt so right, like summer light. I didn't know it then, but something started back again. That was the first time we met, and I still haven't forgotten yet. Every little word you said still runs through my head. It wasn't perfect, it was true, just me and you. And sometimes when I'm alone, I go back to that tone. Time moved on like it always does. We grew apart, life changed us. But every now and then I find you're still on my mind. I hear a song from long ago, and suddenly I always know some memories never leave. They stay with me. I thought I'd let it go, but it still feels like home. That was the first time we met, and I still haven't forgotten yet. Every little laugh we shared feels like you're still there. It wasn't perfect, it was real, a simple feel. And sometimes when the night is long, I hear our song. Maybe we were young and free, maybe that's all it had to be. But I still smile when I recall. It meant a lot. That was the first time we met, and I still haven't let it set. Deep inside my memory, it's a part of me. And though we went our own way, it's okay. Some love just stays as it is. A moment like this, first time we met.
I saw your shadow in the morning light, right by the window where we used to talk. Coffee's gone cold, but I don't mind. It feels like you're still here somehow. Your favorite song came on again. I almost reached for your hand. Funny how time keeps moving on, but some things never really end. I'm still thinking of you tonight, in every quiet, in every light. No matter how far I go, you're the one I always know. street where we first met. Same old faces, same sunset. Life keeps going, people change, but my heart stayed in that place. Maybe one day I'll let you go, but I'm not ready yet, I know. Some love stays, it doesn't fade. It just learns to live this way. I'm still thinking of you tonight, in every quiet, in every light. No matter how far I go, you're the one I always know. And even if you're not around, your memory never lets me down. I'm still holding on somehow, still thinking of you right now. Yeah, I'm still thinking of you, like I always do.
I wasn't looking for someone, I was fine on my own, taking days one by one, getting used to alone. Then you walked in so easy, didn't try too much. Now I'm thinking maybe I still miss that touch. I don't wanna rush this feeling. I've been down that road before, so let's take it slow tonight. Just stay here, don't make it right. We don't have to say too much. I just like the way you touch my hand. And if this turns into more, I won't run like before. Maybe love can feel this way if we take it slow. You don't ask me too many things, you just let me be. And the quiet that you bring feels like home to me. I still carry pieces from a past I knew, but it hurts a little less when I'm here with you. I'm still learning how to trust it, but I'm closer than before. So let's take it slow tonight. Just stay close, it feels alright. We don't need a perfect Let's just take it slow tonight. Let it grow, don't hold too tight. We can let the feeling stay and just see it day by day. And if love is coming back, I won't be afraid of that. Maybe I can try again if we take it slow. Take it slow. I still remember that day so clear, the way you smiled when you came near. We didn't know what we would be, just two hearts so easy. We talked about nothing at all, laughing under the old school hall. It felt so simple, felt so right, like summer light. I didn't know it then, but something started back again. That was the first time we met, and I still haven't forgotten yet. Every little word you said still runs through my head. It wasn't perfect, it was true, just me and you. And sometimes when I'm alone, I go back to that tone. Time moved on like it always does. We grew apart, life changed us, but every now and then I find you're still on my mind. I hear a song from long ago, and suddenly I always know some memories never leave. They stay with me. I thought I'd let it go, but it still feels like home. That was the first time we met, and I still haven't forgotten yet. Every little laugh we share feels like you're still there. It wasn't perfect, it was real, a simple feel. And sometimes when the night is long, I hear our song. Maybe we were young and free, maybe that's all it had to be, but I still smile when I recall. It meant a lot. That was the first time we met, and I still haven't let it set. Deep inside my memory, it's a part of me. And though we went our own way, it's okay. Some love just stays as it is. A moment like this. First time we met. to a quiet room. Sunlight falling on your side. I still leave a space for you, even though you said goodbye. I try to keep my days the same, but every little thing has changed. You're still in my heart tonight, in every dream, in every light. I hear your voice, I feel your touch, even when it's just too much. And though I know you're gone for good, I'd let you stay here if I could. I'm holding on to what we had. You're still in my heart, like that. I passed the places that we knew, same old streets, the same old sky. People come and people go, but some love never says goodbye. I tell myself I'll be okay, but I still miss you every day. You're still in my heart tonight, in every wrong, in every right. I see your face in passing cars. I feel you close, no matter far. And though I try to let it go, there's something I still hold below, a quiet love that won't move on. You're still in my heart, still holding on. Maybe time will ease the pain, maybe I'll feel whole again. But right now all I know is true, there's no me without you. You're still in my heart tonight, in every tear I try to hide. No matter where this road may go, you're the only love I know. And even if I learn to smile, it's only just for a little while. 'Cause deep inside it's always you, still in my heart, still holding you, still in my heart. feel longer without you here. Your side of the bed stays cold. I keep your picture by my lamp, like something I can hold. I hear your voice through the line, but it's not the same as holding you. Even when you're miles away, I feel you closer every day. In every word, in every call, you're still the one I'm waiting for. And no matter how far it goes, I believe in what we know. Love can find its way somehow, even miles away right now. I walk the streets we used to share. Now it's just me alone. I count the days until you're here, until this feels like home. Every second feels so slow, but I won't let this feeling go. Even when you're miles away, I feel you with me every day. In every dream, in every sound, your love is always around. And no matter where you are, you're never really that far. I can feel you in my heart, even when we're worlds apart. One more night, one more goodbye, one more tear I try to hide. But I know this love is real. It's the strongest thing I feel. Even when you're miles away, I hold on more with every day. And when I close my eyes at night, you're right here by my side. And I know we'll make it through every road that leads to you. No matter how far we are, you're always in my heart. Miles away, but never gone. I wasn't looking for someone, I was fine on my own. Taking days one by one, getting used to alone. Then you walked in so easy, didn't try too much. Now I'm thinking maybe I still miss that touch. I don't wanna rush this feeling. I've been down that road before, so let's take it slow tonight. Just stay here, don't make it right. We don't have to say too much. I just like the way you touch my head. And if the take it slow. You don't ask me too many things, you just let me be. And the quiet that you bring feels like home to me. I still carry pieces from a past I knew, but it hurts a little less when I'm here with you. I'm still learning how to trust it, but I'm closer than before. So let's take it slow tonight, just stay close, it feels alright. We don't need a perfect plan, I just like the way you understand. And if this turns into more, I'll believe it once more. Maybe love can feel this way if we take it slow. I don't need forever now, just a moment that feels true. If tomorrow comes around and I'm still here next to you, let's just take it slow tonight, let it grow. Don't hold too tight, we can let the feeling stay and just see it day by day. And if love is coming back, I won't be afraid of that. Maybe I can try again if we take it slow. Take it slow.
I saw your shadow in the morning light, right by the window where we used to talk. Coffee's gone cold, but I don't mind. It feels like you're still here somehow. Your favorite song came on again. I almost reached for your hand. Funny how time keeps moving on, but some things never really end. I'm still thinking of you tonight, in every quiet and every light. No matter how far I go, you're the one I always know. Even if you're not around, your memory never lets me down. I'm still holding on somehow, still thinking of you right now. I passed the street where we first met. Same old faces, same sunset. Life keeps going, people change, but my heart stayed in that place. Maybe one day I'll let you go, but I'm not ready yet, I know. Some love stays, it doesn't fade, it just learns to live this way. I'm still thinking of you tonight, in every quiet and every light. No matter how far I go, you're the one I always know. And even if you're not around, your memory never lets me down. I'm still holding on somehow, still thinking of you right now. Yeah, I'm still thinking of you, like I always do.
The nights feel longer without you here. Your side of the bed stays cold. I keep your picture by my lamp, like something I can hold. I hear your voice through the line, but it's not the same as holding you. Even when you're miles away, I feel you closer every day. In every word, in every call, you're still the one I'm waiting for. And no matter how far it goes, I believe in what we know. Love can find its way somehow, even miles away right now. I walk the streets we used to share. Now it's just me alone. I count the days until you're here, until this feels like home. Every second feels so slow, but I won't let this feeling go. Even when you're miles away, I feel you with me every day. In every dream, in every sound, your love is always around. And no matter where you are, you're never really that far. I can feel you in my heart, even when we're worlds apart. One more night, one more goodbye, one more tear I try to hide. But I know this love is real. It's the strongest thing I feel. Even when you're miles away, I hold on more with every day. And when I close my eyes at night, you're right here by my side. And I know we'll make it through every road that leads to you. No matter how far we are, you're always in my heart. My place for you, even though you said goodbye. I try to keep my days the same, but every little thing has changed. You're still in my heart tonight, in every dream, in every light. I hear your voice, I feel your touch, even when it's just too much. You're still in my heart like that. I pass the places that we knew, same old streets, the same old sky. People come and people go, but some love never says goodbye. Tell myself I'll be okay, but I still miss you every day. You're still in my heart tonight, in every wrong, in every right. I see your face in passing cars, feel you close, no matter far. And though I try to let it go, there's something I still hold below, a quiet love that won't move on. You're still in my heart, still holding on. Maybe time will ease the pain, maybe I'll feel whole again, but right now all I know is true. There's no me without you. You're still in my heart tonight, in every tear I try to hide. No matter where this road may go, you're the only love I know. And even if I learn to smile, it's only just for a little while, 'cause deep inside it's always you, still in my heart, still holding you, still in my heart, still holding you. I still sit by the window light, like you told me you'd come back. Every car that passes by makes my heart react. I don't know what I believe, but I never let it go. There's a part of me that keeps holding on below. Maybe today you'll appear, like you said you would be here. I'm still waiting here for you, like you asked me to. Days go by but nothing changes. I still stay in the same place, and I try to tell myself maybe you're somewhere else, but I'm still holding on, still waiting here alone. The seasons change outside my door, but I don't move at all. I still hear your words before they echo in this hall. People say I should forget, but it's not that easy yet. Some promises don't fade, they just stay. I know time is passing by, but I still don't say goodbye. I'm still waiting here for you, like you asked me to. Even though the light is fading, I'm still quietly waiting, and I know deep in my heart we're already far apart. But I'm still holding on, still waiting here alone. Maybe you won't come again, maybe this is where it ends, but I kept your memory like it's part of me. I'm still waiting here for you, but I think I'm learning to. Some love never finds its way. Some dreams just fade away, and I'm finally letting go. Even if it hurts me so, I was holding on so long, still waiting here, but not for long. Still waiting here, but not for long. Still waiting here. I still sit by the window light, like you told me you'd come back. Every car that passes by makes my heart react. I don't know what I believe, but I never let it go. There's a part of me that keeps holding on below. Maybe today you'll appear, like you said you would be here. I'm still waiting here for you, seasons change outside my door, but I don't move at all. I still hear your words before they echo in this hall. People say I should forget, but it's not that easy yet. Some promises don't fade, they just stay. I know time is passing by, but I still don't say goodbye. I'm still waiting here for you, like you asked me to. Even though the light is fading, I'm still quietly waiting. And I know deep in my heart we're already far apart, but I'm still holding on, still waiting here alone. Maybe you won't come again, maybe this is where it ends, but I kept your memory like it's part of me. I'm still waiting here for you, but I think I'm learning to. Some love never finds its way. Some dreams just fade away, and I'm finally letting go, even if it hurts me so. I was holding on so long, still waiting here, but not for long. Still waiting here.